I don't hide here sleep now, they no catch me. Tomorrow now if you come here, they catch me. I won't go back village, yo. I think if to say I get person number now or I get handset, I for call person to send me money babe.
Yes.
What do you say?
What do you want buy?
Huh?
What do you find?
I dey find the person wey talk that thing. Now your voice be that. What kind of voice be that?
Say you want buy something, I will be question she love me.
Don't curse me. Don't curse me. Oh, she don't want is curse. I know in Yoruba. Don't curse me.
Say let's dey cool.
Okay, they cool in your head. I want buy short bread.
Short bread.
Short bread is one biscuit. My brother Upa. Even when he come village, she call it a short bread.
How bread wey short go come with biscuit? I know they sell that one.
You don't know short bread.
I know they sell them. I don't know them. Now wetin I dey sell be this. Wetin you want buy?
Wetin dey here?
Now choose me. Take am.
How much for this one?
Now 15 naira.
15 naira for what? This small thing.
Ṣé orí òpè ṣá kí ló ṣe é? Ṣé o mọ èlò láta?
I don't think no dey call me. No dey call me.
Make I dey go.
Because things are not your Yoruba.
I never say anything.
Ori o pay in your head. Pay in your head. Come face.
Wait. You want buy market? I be wait. No carry me play this morning. I never say anything.
I get 30 naira. No get 50
30
naira.
naira. Give me something. 30 naira for you.
Why you do like that now? Help me.
Okay. See what you did there. I will give you because I just say if you want can find village. Sorry. Get
Don't call me village. You understand?
Yeah, take. Put something on top of.
I don't think that 30 naira now carry you.
If you don't get it, I better leave normal sha. I better carry out. I go through it for it.
Idiot. You dey call me for Yoruba. I think I don't understand you. I don't dey here. I will understand you. Oriyope in your head. Oriyope in your head is curse. Bone me cut. Basically fool. Baba want me. Hey, Baba salon. I think they say who they work for Baba salon. Let me check. Well done.
Well done. What make I do for you?
I dey find my brother Upang. They say the Baba here for Lagos, so I just.
Auntie, as it's big, only more auntie here. Now my salon it is.
My name is Emmanuel. I'm from Kwai State and Cross River State, 2 states. So I from travel come here to find my brother Upang, but the paper address here. So I don't understand to find him. So I just dey waka around to see whether.
I don't tell you before saying only more auntie here. So any other thing?
Your baby salon fine, no?
Thank you.
I been see for outside the signboard for the Baba one.
Baba wanted.
Yeah, that is the one. That one. So I want whether you can employ me. I want work.
You want work?
Yes.
So if they leave you now, go back person here.
I remember here now, like my brother Upang get salon for village before I come to Lagos. So I used to remember here for
You?
what? For what house we remember here all
You?
of what? Yeah.
Oh. Okay. You know it's going to happen now, eh? Carry all this your bag, eh? Put for one corner, sit down, eh? Are you doing something? Make her finish and come. Customer come, eh? Make call me.
But we never talk a salary.
I never employ you, they talk salary. Sit down, Jide.
Or in Lagos. Welcome.
I won't touch my head.
Okay. Want to baba head?
No, I die. I want spray am gold.
Okay, want to dye gold?
Yeah,
gold color?
Yeah.
Oh, to dye gold like Starboy, whiskey.
Yeah, and you go do am well,
Yes, like Cisco.
Yeah.
So I think you know how much?
And at the normal price now, no be 800 again.
800.
No.
No, things don't cost so. Now 15.
Ha.
It's 15.
Sure, you want the wine mini? I know how much I dey use do my hair now. Sure, now today I begin to dye my hair. No be today now.
Now
The
15.
price too much.
I don't want 15 and they do this.
Wetin
Oga
dey
Seun,
happen?
I want dey cheat me for here. I
And
go go
wetin dey
another
happen?
place. Now the solution, I go just go another
Oga, wait,
place.
wait.
No.
Oga, wait now. What you don't do now?
He said want to dye head. The price, I say 15 because if he pay 800, I will collect 700.
Now thief you be. Oh, you never even start. Don't you find way to rob me? Oga, I be madam. Pack your thing, come dey go. What's your problem now? You want run me down? Auntie, pack your load, come dey go. Come dey go. Madam, pack your things, they go.
No, they sharp for me.
Rather, pack yourself, they go. Oh, pack your things, come dey go, abeg. Come dey go. Come dey go. Which kind of life be this one now? They go. Rather, ready. Which kind of nonsense be all this one?
I think I don't know see they cost me. Rather than your head.
Abeg, they go to you, carry your bad leg, they go.
Or in Lagos, you idiot. You think I'm your mate? Rubbish, idiot, rather than your head and your mouth. Rubbish boy, you don't know what I see in you. I'm not your mate. You don't.
Which way you're going?
You what way you're going now? You won't break my hand.
Are you okay? I'm sorry, but are you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay. What's all this?
That is my bag.
Okay.
My load. Okay, that man, don't mind that idiot. He sang me, the Baba man.
Idiot.
Pursue me, the Baba salon.
Okay. What did you do?
Because go there find work. I don't even work or just pursue me.
And you came to work with all your luggage.
Okay, my name is Maima. I'm from Akwa Ibom State. I'm from Akwa Ibom and Cross River, like 2 states. So I travel from there, come Lagos. I'm finding my brother Upong.
Oh, okay.
But I never see Upong because the address they give me here. So I cannot find Upong.
When did you come to Lagos?
Like
This morning?
No, like around 4 days or 3 days ago or so.
So where have you been sleeping?
I don't have house, so I all you to sometimes sleep inside container or anybody I find work. If I go there, I sleep there.
So where are you going now?
I find another work now. There's plenty work in Lagos, I'll find work. So anywhere I see the work, I will sleep there.
You know what? My name is Jasper. I stay like 2 streets down. My parents' place. They're late now, but there's this small boys' quarters by the side. It's not much, but you're welcome to stay there until you find your brother, if that's possible. If you decide to go home. Yeah.
That's the boy quarter for the boy.
You know what? It's a small place. I'll show you. You want to come?
You don't want to kidnap me.
No, I don't. I just, I want to help you.
Yeah. So we stay there.
Yeah, until you decide to go home or you find your brother.
Anytime I like.
Which hopefully should be soon, I guess so.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But yes, God bless you.
Jasper.